What's up, everyone? Decided to switch my workouts up today. Instead of going in the gym, decided to come out in the nature, beauty of this green. It's a beautiful day. End of December here in San Antonio. It's about 60 degrees. Feels good out. The sun is out. Here we go. Even if you're busy studying, I know how busy it can get in residency and med school. Make sure you get outside and switch up your workout routines. Your body gets used to one particular workout, and if you switch it up and shock your body, that's how you develop gains. And I'm not saying I'm big and buff, but you need to switch up your workouts, get outside, get some vitamin D, even if it fits for 10-15 minutes a day. It'll be good for you. Alright, just got done working out. Thank you guys for watching this video. Make sure you guys subscribe, as I'll be posting new videos every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday at 5 p.m. Central Standard Time. We'll see you next time.